Hi, this is India from the Recovery College. Welcome to this mindfulness session. Distress tolerance, sensory awareness, step by step. Find a comfortable position. Staying in this position, listen to the questions I ask, listening for your response after each question. Can you feel your hair touching your head? Can you feel your belly rising and falling as you breathe? Can you feel the space between your eyes? Can you feel the distance between your ears? Can you feel your breath touching the back of your eyes when you inhale? Can you picture something far away? Can you notice your arms touching your body? Can you feel the bottoms of your feet? Can you imagine a beautiful day at the beach? Can you notice the space within your mouth? Can you notice the position of your tongue in your mouth? Can you feel a breeze against your cheek? Can you feel how one arm is heavier than the other? Can you feel a tingling or numbness in one hand? Can you feel how one arm is more relaxed than the other? Can you feel a change in the temperature in the air around you? Can you feel how your left arm is warmer than the right? Can you imagine how it would feel to be a rag doll? Can you notice any tightness in your left forearm? Can you imagine something very pleasant? Can you imagine what it would feel like to float on a cloud? Can you imagine what it would feel like to be stuck in treacle? Can you picture something far away? Can you feel a heaviness in your legs? Can you imagine floating in warm water? Can you notice your body hanging on your bones? Can you allow yourself to drift lazily? Can you feel your face getting soft? Can you imagine a beautiful flower? Can you feel how one arm and one leg are heavier than the other?